Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is doxa. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is doxa. The Greek word doxa means glory or divine radiance. It refers to the splendor, honor, and majesty of God. The English words doxology and the others that are related to it, they are derived from this term. Doxology actually means a hymn of praise. And this is related to the Tagalog papuri or walhati. And from the gospel we read, from John chapter 1 verse 14, "And the Word became flesh and dwelt among us, and we have seen His glory," doxan, glory as of the only Son from the Father, full of grace and truth. And this verse reveals Jesus as the manifestation of God's glory, emphasizing His divine nature. Even from the Old Testament, we find that. Of course, we read from the Septuagint, from Exodus 33:18. Moses said, "Please show me your glory." Moses longs to see God's divine presence, underscoring the overwhelming majesty of God. God's doxa is not just something to admire. It is something we are called to reflect in our lives. And so we ask, how do we glorify God in our daily actions and choices? And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.